president!
Spies, private bodyguards, secret service, secret police, agents, mercenaries. Today we will be exploring, any type of modern weapon and equipment used by these jobs of mystery and extreme danger. So yeah, welcome back guys. Thanks for joining us again today. You're watching Everything Weapons as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and check out my other videos on the channel. What are the most advanced secret protection weapons and equipment? What are tools, secret service and private spies and mercenaries use in today in modern time? Modern protection and intelligence operations in 2026 have shifted toward AI-driven detection, unmanned systems, and discreet, high-tech personal gear. The Secret Service, private military contractors, PMCs, and intelligence specialists now rely on a blend of kinetic weapons and digital tools to manage threats. 1. Advanced protection weapons and kinetic gear for Secret Service details and high-end private security. The focus is on concealable stopping power and ballistic defense. Next-gen rifles. The U.S. Army recently type-classified the M7 rifle, formerly XM7, which provides superior range and penetration over the older M4. Advanced ballistic shields. High-threat details now use ultralight shields like the Vengeance X8, which offers level 3+ rifle protection with a carbon fiber handle and weapon mounts. Discreet body armor. Professionals use everyday armor t-shirts or the VP4 concealable vest, which remains hidden under standard clothing while stopping handgun rounds up to .44 Magnum. Non-lethal dazzlers. Handheld laser arrays like the PHSR rifle are used to temporarily blind and disorient targets without permanent injury. 2. Intelligence and surveillance tools, spies and private investigators. Modern espionage has allow for the total compromise of smartphones, providing access to messages, locations, and microphones. Miniature recon drones. Modern insectophopter concepts have evolved into practical, hand-launched drones like the Black Hornet, used for silent, indoor, and outdoor scouting. AI threat detection. Security teams use platforms like TrackForce to analyze online chatter and news sentiment in real time to proactively identify threats before they arrive. Biometric surveillance. Advanced facial recognition systems can now identify individuals from wide angles and varied lighting conditions at a distance, replacing traditional access cards. 3. Mercenary and PMC equipment. Private military contractors focus on mobility and asymmetric warfare tools. Unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs. Platforms like the Black Knight, a remote-controlled scouting tank, are used for high-risk perimeter patrols where manned vehicles would be too vulnerable. Loitering munitions. The Switchblade 600 is a tube-launched drone that an operator can fly to a target and detonate, providing personal precision artillery for small teams. Encrypted communications. Specialized mesh network radios and encrypted monitoring systems are standard for coordinating movements in non-permissive environments. 4. Secret Service specialist tools. Custom tactical suits. Dignitary protection specialists wear bespoke suits featuring hidden internal pockets for radios, weapons, and medical supplies, with side vents to hide printing. Inside the vest or jacket in custom tactical suits are often equipped with multiple holsters to carry many sidearms and extra magazines, so that the user can achieve maximum firepower without having to reload. Dual-wielding two-hand guns also allows user to shoot in two different directions at the same time. Anti-drone systems. Specialized handheld or vehicle-mounted jammers are used to create no-fly zones around high-value individuals to prevent drone-based attacks. Iconic. Hiding a gun in something that the public think is a briefcase is so OP. Hidden pistol, or small machine pistol, or submachine gun, most of the time a MP5K with an operational trigger. User is able to fire without opening briefcase. And afterwards, no one will know. However, the major disadvantage is terrible accuracy, so best if used in very close range. Fake arm. A synthetic fake arm and handmade to look realistic using silicone. This is an extremely common and powerful tool used by Secret Service, secret police, spies, mercenaries, and others around the world. The use is able to be holding onto a pistol, submachine gun, or the best option, an assault rifle for accuracy. And the user can almost instantly draw a weapon and open fire. Okay. Next up, guys, is going to be hidden bombs. Sometimes deadly explosive devices are outfitted into everyday objects, making them totally concealed to their receiver. Sometimes a bomb will be hidden inside a cigar, alcohol bottles, pagers, or mail, either willingly as an unsuspecting fatal mistake to their receiver, as gift or present. The MP suitcase. Professional-grade devices like the APLC RFSC 400 are built into rugged cases. They can transmit pulses with an electric field amplitude of over 100 kV/m at a 1-meter range, enough to permanently damage unshielded computers and sensors. E-bombs and handheld jammers. Smaller, non-nuclear devices use conventional explosives or high-power microwave technology to induce a pulse. These are used by special forces to disable communication systems or security grids during a breach. Anti-drone rifles, often referred to as EMP guns. These shoulder-mounted devices, like those seen in modern security details, use directed electromagnetic pulses to suppress the navigation and transmission channels of aerial drones, causing them to crash. 2. How they are used by spies and professionals. Electronic sabotage, disabling security cameras, digital locks, or server racks without physically touching them. Asset protection, creating a temporary blackout zone to mask an escape or prevent an adversary from using a tracking device. Vulnerability testing. Security teams use portable generators like the Montana PPG to test if critical infrastructure, like a VIP's armored vehicle, can survive a real electromagnetic attack. 3. Detection and defense. Because these devices are silent and invisible, security professionals use specialized counters, EMP detectors. Devices like the EMP Alert or DEFCON monitor the environment for the specific high-speed E1 and E2 pulses that indicate an EMP attack is occurring. Faraday bags. Spies and mercenaries carry sensitive gear in Faraday bags or shielded cases to block incoming electromagnetic fields and prevent their own equipment from being fried. A hyper-realistic spy mask is a high-fidelity facial prosthetic designed to withstand close-range scrutiny as close as 6 to 12 inches. By mimicking the translucency, texture, and movement of human skin. Unlike standard Halloween masks, these are engineered to allow for natural facial expressions and can be donned in seconds without a mirror. 1. Materials used. Modern masks primarily use platinum cure silicone, such as smooth-on dragon skin, because it possesses a soft, flesh-like elasticity that mimics natural muscle and fat tissue. Core reinforcement. High-stress areas, eyes, mouth, nose, are reinforced with power mesh, a stretchy fabric that prevents tearing while maintaining flexibility. Skin details. Fine details like freckles, age spots, and veins are achieved using silicone-based paints, like Psychopaint, that bond permanently to the mask surface. Ancillary tech. To complete the illusion, agents may use dental veneers to change tooth structure and vocal filters to alter their voice. 2. Manufacturing process. The creation of a professional-grade mask is a multi-week engineering project. 3D mapping or life casting, a digital 3D render or a physical plaster positive of the target's face is created. Negative molding. A 2-part epoxy or fiberglass mold. The negative is built around the sculpture to capture every pore and wrinkle. Casting. Platinum silicone is injected into the mold. Some masks use lip cupping technology, a proprietary design that allows the mask's lips to grip the wearer's real mouth for perfect speech movement. Hair punching. For the highest realism, individual strands of human or animal hair are punched into the silicone one by one. Alright, next up, guys, is the boot knife. This is a hidden switchblade boot knife is a covert self-defense weapon that combines the concealment features of a traditional boot knife with the automatic rapid deployment mechanism of a switchblade. It is designed to be tucked into a boot or a specialized harness and deployed instantly with a single hand motion or the press of a button. This allows the user to have a surprise attack weapon that can be instantly deployed to get out of a sticky situation, especially if the user is already handcuffed by the enemy. Sleeper dart gun or tranquilizer firearm. A sleeper dart gun is a specialized, non-lethal air-powered device used to fire syringes filled with sedatives for animal control, research, and can be used in covert operations on humans in theory. Although the mixture on the tip of the dart head would have to act instantly, or a user would have to muffle noise and subdue the person shot until they're knocked out. Distraction device, large quick smoke bomb. This is basically an upgraded and improved smoke grenade. Compared to a very slow standard normal smoke grenades, Distraction devices offer almost instant burn time, usually activated by a flare, to act as a starter and also a secondary blinding distraction combined with the smoke. Big, fast smoke bombs are usually flat, so that they are easily concealed in suits. Well, I guess that wraps up this one, dudes. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy. Check out my other content on our channel. Do not forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you don't miss out on future uploads. Drop a thumbs up and type us a comment down below. You've been watching the Everything Weapons YouTube channel. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Have a good rest of your evening,